Hi, my name is Terry Young and I'm one of the partners of SRS Insurance Group. What I'm going to do over the next 3 minutes is answer a question that is asked of our team often. The question, what is an insurance binder? You're looking at a copy of an Accord insurance binder. Accord is just an industry name. I'm going to share with you over the next 3 minutes the binder, some of the components and parts of the binder to help you have a better understanding. If you'll look at the top, it says insurance binder. What we do is we issue this document to verify that insurance has been put in effect, in place, bound for the customer. Normally there's a date up here in the upper right hand corner in which coverage is made effective. Okay, the upper left hand corner you will see the agency. This is our agency name, contact information, the person, Deidre, who issued the binder, phone number, fax number, etc. You'll see in this box here where my cursor is, this is the insured. This is the name of the customer. On the right hand side over here you'll actually see the physical address of the customer and what type of structure, building, business it is. This happens to be a commercial office building. You will also see just above that the effective date and time of the policy, the name of the insurance company, and if there is actually a binder or policy number that has been issued for this policy. Now you'll notice the effective date is 9/18/09 to 10/18/09. In the state of Alabama, you can only issue a binder for 30 days legally, then it must be extended. As we scroll down the document, you will see coverages. We have types of insurance. This is where you put information on the binder for the coverages that have been put in force on the property or the customer or the policy. Okay, you have property coverage, general liability coverage, automobile, auto physical damage, and let's move back up. In the coverage forms, you'll actually see a brief description of the type of coverage. This is a property policy. It was issued as special form, which is more of an all-risk type coverage. It was on a building for replacement cost. The deductible was $1,000 and the amount was $2.5 million. As I scroll on down, you'll see there is general liability coverage on this document. You show the limits, $1 million for each occurrence, etc., etc. Okay, as we go on down the document, I want to share with you, you also have garage liability coverages, excess liability coverages, and you have workers' compensation coverages. If there are any special conditions or other coverages, you would put them here in this space. Now, name and address at the bottom. This is what's called the certificate holder. This is the bank's name, which happens to be a credit union in this position that actually holds a lien on the property. You can see over here the box is checked mortgagee, and sometimes you can put a loan number and more additional information. Okay, you have an authorized representative. This is the person who actually is authorized to bind or issue coverage on this certificate. Okay, as we scroll back to the top, that's basically it. This is an insurance binder. It binds coverage for a specific period of time. It tells you who the insurance carrier is, who the agent is, who the customer is, where the property is located, and what coverages are in force, in place, and also the bank or lien holder, if any, and the actual person's name who issued the policy. That's it. That's an insurance binder. It's normally done when you write new coverage or a policy renews. If you ever need a new insurance binder when your policy renews with our agency, simply give us a call or send us an email and we'll be happy to issue you a new binder. Okay? Thanks, and I hope this has been beneficial.